Scooters are usually about convenience, practicality and fuel efficiency, but this one doesn't quite follow the rule book. Meet the Aprilia SR 175. With a bigger engine than any other scooter in its class, its sharp design promises performance, dynamics and has fun written all over it if that's what you're looking for. But does it deliver more than just its looks? Well, we've spent a few days riding the new SR 175 and it's time now to give you the lowdown on what is it, how is it, and should you even consider this scooter at that price point.
The Aprilia SR 175's design has been carried forward without any changes in the overall dimensions or basic styling language. The 14-inch wheels gave it presence, and in proportions, the SR 175 certainly looks sleek, sharp and sporty even when standing still. And to me, it still strikes a handsome pose from any angle you look at it.
The SR 175's design may be a few years old because it now replaces the SR 160 or will eventually replace the SR 160. The design is based on Aprilia's racing lineage and it's sharp, it's muscular and it's available in two colors. This one is the white and red. You also have the purple and red color option. Both these color options shared with the Aprilia RS 457. With those orange wheels, it definitely looks racy and sporty and it still manages to hold its own. But check out the 5-inch TFT console. It's got excellent visibility and it offers features like turn-by-turn navigation, call and SMS alerts, and you can also control the music once you connect through the Aprilia app. Neat, isn't it? But in terms of practicality, there are no storage boxes on the front apron. You do have a hook here, but there's no other hook here and there's limited footboard space. The multifunction key is just that it's got 3 functions: off, on or just to lock the handlebar. And there's no external fuel filler cap as well. You have to access the fuel filler cap by opening the seat hatch. That's where the fuel cap is. So every time you go to refill, you will have to open the hatch, and under seat storage space is also limited. So in terms of practicality, it has got some space underneath the seat, but not so much that you can go and do your weekly grocery shopping. But the seat, as you can see, is contoured like this and the riding position is like this, and it's easy to reach both sides, and my height is 5 feet 9 inches. I can reach both sides quite comfortably, but the design of the seat is such that it's got that slope and it somewhat robs you of comfort. It's not per se the material of the seat, the cushioning of the seat, but design of the seat makes you slide forward, and this is when it becomes a little uncomfortable when you're going on a slightly longer ride than your daily commute. And that's something which Aprilia should have looked at. But overall, that's what it looks like. That's what the features are. Do let us know what you think about the design, what you think about those features, what you think about that console in the comment section. So 5.5-inch Bluetooth connected TFT console is a big thumbs up. You get turn-by-turn navigation, good features to have. External fuel filler lid not available, that's a bit of a letdown. A lack of more under-seat storage is also a bit of a letdown, but I feel that parking brake lock, that's a handy feature to have, particularly for those of you who live in hilly towns, hilly cities, where you probably enjoy riding the SR 175 more. That is something which, if it was available, would have added more convenience to the SR 175. But once you start the ignition, swing a leg over it and open the throttle, all those limitations about comfort and convenience will soon be forgotten. The SR 175 has got a strong pull from its engine. Acceleration is brisk. It's not so strong that new riders will get intimidated, but the performance is linear and smooth, and you'll hit 90 km/h in no time. In fact, I saw a speedo indicated top speed of 109 kilometers per hour, but 95 kilometers per hour is actually the claimed top speed, but 90 kilometers you'll hit very effortlessly. 60 to 80, there's lots of pull, lots of power, and you'll go everywhere. The stiff chassis, the firm suspension offers surprisingly good ride quality over even the potholes and broken patches that we encountered during these few days that we have ridden the SR 175. This thing just goes over all kinds of road surfaces without bothering you or without making you feel all those harshnesses from the road surface. And when you hit the twists, this one, the SR 175, has got a level of agility and handling that is quite enjoyable. You can go left, you can go right. This scooter remains in control. You'll always feel in control. And the best thing, the brakes offer sure short stopping power. The brakes offer very good feedback, very good vibe, and you can confidently stop whenever you feel like. So very good braking, excellent dynamics, very good ride quality, but the seat design is designed in such a way that you keep sliding down front and difficult to find a comfortable perch, especially on longer rides. So that's something which, if the seat design was sorted, then there was nothing wrong in this scooter. That's the only negative that I could think of in terms of comfort. Else, practicality, don't think about all that things. In terms of performance, great. Dynamics, great. Braking performance, great. Only thing that's a negative is the seat comfort while you're riding for longer hours. Overall, if you're looking for a sporty scooter to dash from stoplight to stoplight, go to a twisty road on a weekends to have some fun, the SR 175 has it in space. This is quite an enjoyable scooter to ride. No doubt about it.
During our tests, which included both city and highway riding, the SR 175 returned pretty impressive fuel efficiency figures.
And despite all that performance and all that spirited riding, the SR 175 gave us surprising fuel economy. At worst, it showed us 38 kilometers per liter, and the best we got on the highway was 45 kilometers per liter. So in everyday use combined, you can easily expect 40-42 kilometers per liter combined fuel economy from this scooter, the SR 175. The SR 175 is built for performance and style for attention. It's more about character and not so much about comfort and convenience. The Aprilia SR 175 isn't just about going from point A to point B. It's about enjoying the ride in between. Built for performance, sharp handling, and a design that's going to turn heads. It has a lot going for it. If you're looking to add some excitement to your daily ride and you're willing to overlook some minor conveniences like a multifunction key, more storage space, and some comfort, the Aprilia SR 175 is easy to recommend. Go take a test ride. This could be just the scooter you want. Just make sure there's an Aprilia sales and service center not too far away from you. For more motorcycle and scooter reviews, like and subscribe and hit that bell. And if you have any thoughts or questions about the SR 175, do leave us a comment and we'll try to answer everything. We'll see you in the next one with another new scooter or motorcycle here at Car and Bike. Thank you for watching.